Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today we have in a shop 2005 Toyota Corolla S, approximately 167,000 miles on the clock. I did install brakes on the rear, on the front. I did complete brake jobs for these people. And they were a new customer. It's roughly a year ago. And they moved recently within the area. And they moved on top of the hill. And anytime they drive down, and that hill is long, approximately 4 miles of super windy and narrow and steep road, the owner says, she said, hey, when I'm like in the lower part, the brakes start squeaking and maybe almost like scraping. They make a lot of noise. So we discussed that problem. I asked many questions, and it seemed to be that those brake pads, they're like 50% still left on it. They are just overheating because the drive down on the steep hill, it's so bad. So I decided, I offered them, I said, hey, let's go and replace it with the high-end brake pads, which are readily available. Right now I can have it in 30 minutes, and this is the product I got for them. I believe I was introduced to this approximately months ago by the sales representative from O'Reilly. It's a new line from them. It's supposed to be the high-end, the best of the best from that import direct, and I just want to show you what is inside. Obviously I will go and replace those today. It's my first time. I never ordered them before. I just heard there is a good feedback. The O'Reilly said so far people say they are really good. And obviously after I will install them, I always have a chance underneath the video in the comments. I will call the customer, wait like a week, call them, and I will share with you the feedback. So here is the bag with the hardware. It comes as usually when you buy the more expensive ones, the ceramic. They come with the hardware. This is very fancy packaging. I will say waste of environment, but I guess they want to present it to everybody the best way possible and impress everyone. So it looks really high quality. The backing, it's that special backing that should stop the vibration and squeaking. It's a ceramic material. They say it should be the same quality like OEM or Exceed. So I just want to show you this. And in like a week after I will post this, we'll call a customer and put the results below the video. So thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. I will catch you later, alligator.